Okay, so we were trying to learn this ray diagram, convex lens, correct? Chalo. What will happen if the object is kept between f1 and 2f1? This is the object. The incident ray is going like this. A refracted ray will go from f2. Then the second ray will go here. The image will look enlarged. Okay, so beyond 2f2, this will be real, inverted, and enlarged. Next, what will happen if the object is kept on f1? This is object AB. Okay, the light goes from f2. Then there is the another light passing through this. So what happens to the image at infinity? Correct. So the position of the image is at infinity. Nature of the image will be real, inverted, okay, and very large. Next, object f1 and O. If I keep the object between f1 and the optic center, this is the incident ray, refracted ray, optic, okay, then you get what? Yes, you get the image on the same side, and you this is the A dash B dash. So observation is on the same side. Nature of the image virtual, erect, and large. These are some observation for the convex lens. Convex lens. Simple microscope. When an object is placed within the focal length of convex lens, we get virtual, erect, and large image. This we have done it in your school and college. Okay, and the size of the image is 20 times larger than the object. Then you have seen, people working with the watch. Then sometimes people using this kind of lens to read. Okay, so these are some examples. Next, object at infinity. What happens if I keep an object at infinity? You get the image on focus. Okay, the image will be on focus. Nature of the image is real, inverted, and point image. Okay, so these are all the questions. We'll do it later. That's it. We have only concave lens remaining, and if we do the ray diagram, this chapter is done. Okay. Let us revise everything in 3 minutes. We have position of the object, position of the image, size of the image, and nature of the image. What happens if the object is kept at infinity? The position of the image will be, it will be point size. Correct? At f2, size of the image will be point size and the real and inverted. Next, what happens if the object is kept at f1? Position of the image, infinity. Size of the image, very large. Nature of the image. Okay. Next, what will happen if the object is kept between f1 and 2f1? Position of the image, tell me. Beyond 2f2. Size of the image, large and real and inverted. Okay, real and inverted. Next, what will happen if the object is kept beyond 2f1? Position of the image will be, okay, smaller in size and real and inverted. At 2f1, at 2f2, size of the image, same size, and nature of the image, real and inverted. And between f1 and O, position of the image on the same side of the lens, very large, virtual and erect. That's it. Uses of the convex lenses. Making microscope, telescope, okay, then making a simple camera as a magnifying lens by the watchmakers, used in spectacles to correct the defect of vision called as hypermetropia. Okay, next, rules for making ray diagram. The first one, now this is for concave lens. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis of concave lens appears to be coming from its focus after refraction through the lens. Imagine, now we are going to see for the concave lens. Same diagram. Imagine this is the incident light here, and the refracted light will be like this. It appears to be coming from, the refracted light appears to be coming from f1. This is the first rule that you have to keep in mind. Second rule, a ray of light passing through the optic center passes through the optical center undeviated. That means it goes straight. Look at this. Where is the optic center? This O is the optic center. So if the light is passing from this, it keeps traveling straight. Third rule, a ray of light going towards the focus of a concave lens becomes parallel to its principal axis after refraction through the lens. That means if the ray of light is appears to be going from F2, that means it will be parallel to which axis here? Principal axis. So these three rules you have to keep in mind. Now let us try to draw the ray diagram. Object at infinity. This is the ray diagram. Object at infinity. AB is an object. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis. So what is the first rule? Passes through F1 or F2? Very good. Hmm? Appears to be passing from? This is concave. So what happens? Diagram aisa aega na? Okay, so it appears to be passing from F1. So what is the position of the image? At focus, nature of the image, virtual, erect, and point size. This is the first observation. Second, if the object is kept between 2F1 and F1, suppose this is the position of the object PQ. This is incident ray. Now tell me, where will the refracted ray be from? Appears to be passing from F1. Correct? Next, second ray, how will I draw? Passes through optical center. So which two rays will intersect? Okay, now the second ray I am drawing like this. Do you understand? So did you see two rays intersecting here? So where will be the image? Can you see this arrow which is coming here now? This is the image. Now tell me, is it above principal axis or below principal axis? Okay, but virtual or real? On the same side, correct? Image, position of the image at focus. Okay, nature of the image, virtual, erect, smaller. Next. So like this, two diagrams for your concave. Okay, like this you have another chart. You can refer your textbooks. Everything will be given in detail. Now what are the uses of concave lenses? Used as eye lens in Galilean telescope, used in combination with convex lens to make high quality lens system. Okay, then used in wide angle spy hole indoors. Indoors, can you see? Have you seen indoor? There will be small this thing, right? Okay. Used in spectacles to correct the defect called as myopia. Tell me, for hypermetropia, which lens will you? Converging or diverging? And for myopia? Diverging. What is meant by diverging? Concave lens. Remember this. That's it. These are all okay. Same diagrams, formulas, questions. We'll do this later. Problems are late, not today. I think we have done with this chapter now. Yeah, last few slides remaining. Then we have only problems. Okay. Look at this now. Cartesian sign convention for when you solve the problems. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Can you see these two axes? X-axis and Shamant, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this is plus x and this is minus x. This is plus y and this is minus y. Okay. Imagine I keep a lens here. Then this is the optic center. Behind the lens f2 and 2f2. Next, in front of the lens we have 2f1 and f1. Okay, now Cartesian sign convention. So keep this diagram in mind and you are going to follow some rules when you solve the questions. If you don't follow the rules, you will get wrong answers. Okay, and that is why most of the students they find difficult. Okay, they find difficult in solving the problems because they don't understand the rules. So look at this now here. Where is the object? Tell loudly. Okay, in front of the lens or behind the lens? Very good. Where is the object? फिर क्यों नहीं बोल रहे लोग? हाँ, okay. This is the object. Object should always be to the what? Do you want lens to read this? Then why don't you speak? If you repeat after me, I will teach you. Otherwise, I can just show you videos and I'll keep moving forward. That's it. मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. समझ में आया ना? 18 साल स्कूल में खाली बैठे हैं तुम लोग. सुबह उठे, स्कूल गए, टिफिन बॉक्स खाया, घर आए, बस इतना ही किया है. You never asked question to your teacher and you never uttered any answers in your class. And here also you are doing the same thing. God has given you one more opportunity, try to answer it. Even if it is right or wrong, no problem. Simply coming and sitting, I don't encourage these things here. If something is asked, you have to reply. Open your mouth. That is one good quality of a candidate, a soldier or an officer. They will open their mouth at least. गूंगे बहरे जैसे बैठे हुए like a deaf and dumb students here. ग्रुप डिस्कशन करो, उधर भी शांत बैठे हैं. लेक्चरेट बोलो, उधर भी शांत बैठे हैं. चाइनीज लोग आएंगे, उधर भी शांति बैठेंगे. टेररिस्ट आके मार के जाएगा, उधर भी शांति बैठेंगे. Just now there is a news, Indian Express, I got a notification. 2 doctors are suspended from Jammu and Kashmir, those who were involved in Sophian double sister murder case. Now if I want to explain what is Sophian double sister murder case, it will take another 1 hour. खोलेंगे, you will not open your mouth. Okay, just coming, sitting, हाँ जा रहे हैं बस. Parents को लग रहा है कि इधर आके पढ़ रहे हैं. कोई पढ़ रहा नहीं. No one is studying. पढ़ाई मतलब घर में पढ़ाई करके आना चाहिए. इधर डाउट पूछना चाहिए. You should come and ask doubts here. We are doing the same thing once again, same Ramayana Mahabharata. Your teacher in school will teach the same. I am teaching the same, and you will do the same mistakes in exam. And this legacy continues. Okay, now tell me the image. It is below the principal axis or above the principal axis? Okay. Now look at this. After the class, after this thing gets over, I am going to ask the candidates here. If you don't answer, better you just see what happens now. Okay, I'll show you the original question paper of UPSC. That's the reason I'm taking everything in detail. Okay, I don't think any other teacher or faculty they are doing like this in other classes. Okay. Second condition, look at this. All the distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the optical center. Whenever you are going to measure between O and F1, okay, this axis, I am going to measure from O only. I will not measure from B. If I want to measure the distance, okay, remember, I will take it from O से लेके F1 तक हम लेंगे, ठीक है? और F1 or the object, sorry. Okay, then next, the distance to the right of the origins are positive. This is O. O के right side में क्या हो जाएगा? Positive, because it is positive x. Do you understand? Next, the distance here it is now positive. Okay, the distance left to the origin will be negative because it is negative x-axis. That's it. Easy? Okay, now the distance measured perpendicular to above the principal axis. From this point, if I go up, it is plus 5. Okay, so it will be positive. The object is above the principal axis, but the image is below the principal axis. So now imagine the next point I'll show you. This is positive. The distance measured perpendicular below the principal axis is negative. Okay, so remember this. These 4 to 5 points you have to keep in mind. Okay, this is focal length of a convex lens is positive. Always keep this in mind. What is this here? Focal length of which lens? Is positive. Focal length of convex lens is positive. And now what about concave lens? Negative. Now what happens? Students will get the right answer. 1 by f. You know, yesterday I told you the formula of f is equal to r by 2 and all the thing. You will get the f value. But a small mistake you will do, you will not change the sign of the f. Why? Because you don't know whether it is concave or convex lens. Do you understand? So these are the important form. Next, lens formula V U F. Okay, now imagine V is the image distance, U is the object distance, F is the focal length. This is the formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, magnification formula. M is equal to size of the image by the size of the object. Size of the image by size of the object. Okay, look at this. M is equal to H2 by H1. V by U. Okay, so if size of image is 4 and the size of the object is 2, the magnification will be 2. That is greater than 1. So if M is greater than 1, image is magnified. Okay, next, if size of the image is 2, that means size of the image Ulta, imagine it is less than 1. So what happens? Image is diminished. Okay, image will be diminished. Next, if it is equal to 1, it is of the same size. This logic you should understand. I'll just show you one example. Don't do this problem. Okay. Problem based on the formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. What is this formula? Lens formula. Okay. So look at this. If an object of 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter, find the position of the image. So which lens we are going to solve now? Convex or concave? In convex lens, the focal length is positive or negative? Positive. This you have to keep in mind and then start the problem. Look at this now. This is the convex lens diagram. I'm going to keep an object. Okay. What is the height of the object? How much? 7 centimeter. And what is the distance between the optic? 12 centimeter. Correct. And what is the focal length they are telling? 8 centimeter. So look at this. F2 is how much? 8 centimeter. Now find the position of the image. I have to find the position of the image. Okay. So look at this. Okay. I have to find the position of the image. This is the lens formula. V stands for the image and U stands for the object. What is the object distance U? 12 centimeter. Okay. Focal length 8 centimeter. To find V. Okay. Image distance is equal to how much? Formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. Now we have to take something in consideration. 1 by U is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. So if I solve this, you get the answer as, okay, you get the answer as 1 by, just a minute, 1 by 24. How much you get? 1 by 24. Okay, so I can say V is equal to 24. Yes, but there is a small, thing that you have to keep in mind. The object is on the left side or the right side? Left side or right side? Okay, so if the object is kept left side, you will take minus or plus? This 12 centimeter becomes minus 12 centimeter. You understand? Why it becomes minus 12? Because the object is on the left side and V is equal to 24. समझ में आया? तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा? V is equal to 24 means the image is on the right side of the lens. Yes or no? And in convex lens, I know the focal length is positive. Like this, you have to solve it. This is a very basic problem, very, very easy problem. Okay, let us see one more question. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Convex lens. Clue is given. So focal length will be positive or negative? The distance of 12 centimeter from a wall. How far the lens should an object be placed so as to form a real image on the wall? Okay, so this is the object. Okay, like this 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the object distance. I have to find the object distance. Now tell me, object distance will come in positive or negative? Why? Because it is on the left side. So same formula I am going to use. Okay, 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, this is the formula. Now look at this. Image distance I am writing plus 12. Why I am writing plus 12? Because it is on the right side. Okay, good. That's it. If you understand this, the whole process looks easy and finally you'll get the answer as U is equal to minus 60. But here minus indicates the direction. It is not the value. समझ में आया? Direction मतलब left side में है, right side में है. Okay, something like that. So all your questions will be like this only. You have to be careful with the signs. But the first point you should keep in mind whether it is concave or convex lens. So many students they find difficult in their 10th standard or 11th or 12th because they don't understand this basics. Now look at this. An object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from which lens? Concave. So the focal length will be negative. Focal length is how much? 20. So will you take f as 20 or minus 20? Very good. Find the nature and the position of the image. Now let us try to do it. Object is 50 centimeter. Okay. Look at this. From the concave lens. This is the concave lens. And what the question is telling, like here, in front of the concave lens. Correct? No. That means it will be here left side or right side? Left side. That is why I am taking what? Minus 50. Now look at this. Focal length. What should I take? Minus 20. Did you all understand why I am taking minus 20? Use the same formula. Keep solving. Now once you keep solving, you get the answer. that is V is equal to minus 14.28. Now don't get panicked in exam. Sir मुझे minus आ रहा है. आने दो अच्छा है. If it comes in minus, the image is on which side? Same side. That means left side of the optic center. समझ में आ रहा है? Easy? That's it. So those who have understood these questions, your light chapter is done. Okay, बस यही type के questions आएंगे. So look at this. I have plenty of questions on concave and convex. This everything is just questions. That's it. So you need practice. Then we have power of the lens. Okay, power of the lens के ऊपर भी एक आपको questions आएंगे. चलो. Now let me show you. Just a minute. क्या हुआ? I'll show you one UPSC question paper. You know this website? Yes, sir. Rahul, कोई तो एक light switch on that corner's light. Yeah, enough. Okay, the person whom I will ask, only that candidate will answer. ठीक है? Yesterday I gave you some map work. Do you remember? Yes, sir. Look at this. Mining company, Neyveli Lignite Corporation. Have you written it in your, done in your map? I told you, no. What is that? Salem Steel Plant. Correct. सब कुछ नहीं बता सकते भाई, तुम लोगों को आइडिया लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay, look at this. इधर देखो अभी. चलो, we'll see next. Those who know will raise your hand. Okay, question number 11, Rahul. Only Rahul will answer. I don't want any guy helping him. Rahul is telling methanoic acid. How many of you support him? Is it easy? Yes, it's right. Question number 12. Yes, the last girl. Yeah, you. Only she will say. Don't help her. Yeah, answer. You were absent yesterday? You missed this question then. Okay. Look at this. 13. Yes, Arthav. Silver and copper. Which one of the following pair of metal are very good conductors of heat? Hmm? Mercury is good conductor of heat or not? Yes, sir. Why you say? अभी थर्मामीटर में सिल्वर डालते हैं, मर्क्यूरी डालते हैं. ये दो को उड़ा दो ना. Unnecessarily, why you are going A and B? Mercury is given. It's a big blunder if you go and write silver and copper. See, this is how the UPS is going to frame the question. They're going to play with your mind. You know the answer. Everyone has the basic strong. You know what is the heat property. Okay, all these things. But still, you will do the mistake. Think on each and every question. So I think option C or D. But now I have to check whether it is C and D. No, I think C. C, C. Okay, lead, I don't think that we have any heat property. Okay, yes. Next, any school going children who has attended all the science classes will answer the next question number 14. Okay, so just raise your hand those who know. बच्चा वाला क्वेश्चन है ये सब. Yes, सप्तमी. Tinku? Yes, Sneha? Yes, last Shaman? Okay, those who are telling sonorous, what does it mean? Yeah? Wait, Kirti is telling something. Yes, Kirti. Okay, you are from which background? But your answer is correct. This is what UPSC want. Before 10th standard, whatever you have studied, have you studied that in detail? This is from I think 6th standard. Correct? No. Now some international school going students. Sir, I studied in dash dash international school. In my school there was no bell. Okay, yeah, there was no bell. My teacher used to, get a message in WhatsApp. Okay, so इस type के बंदे लोग pass नहीं कर पाएंगे, right? But if there is a candidate, sir, my school had a school bell, but every year that will disappear because we will steal it. Okay, हम चोरी करके, yeah, we'll steal it and we'll get 100 rupees for that school bell. Okay, look at this. Even after telling 100 times in my class the properties of metal is ductility, malleability, conductivity. Okay, lustrous, then sonorous. Sonorous means sound. Metals will have property of good sound. Even after telling so much, students, and actually this was the question asked in CDS, and one of the candidate was here, and they gave me the question paper. I opened it, and the first question I checked whether that candidate has done it right or wrong, and that candidate has written lustrous and telling me the reason that sir I am from commerce background. I told you your result is declared. I declare the result there itself. Don't wait for the UPSC results. You better go and start doing job. Okay. So look at this now. Next. This biology. I didn't come to biology right now. Question number 19 is also biology. Take a minute. Kwashiorkor of malnutrition is caused by the deficiency of. Yes, Rahul. You are a science student? Biology or computer science? Okay, that's why it's right. Protein. Have you seen African children with big belly? With very thin hand? That is that disease. I'll do that health and disease. Okay. Have I done this question? Tell me now, is it in series or parallel? Now, if I want to find the final answer, effective current. These two are in parallel, but this one and this one are in series. So here you will use 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. You will get RP value, and that RP value and this you will add, and then volt okay, they have given 10 volt and you have to find the current. Yes or no? Easy. Okay, so that's how the question goes. Okay, look at this. Which one of the following enzymes acidic pH value? Actually, this is your biology, digestive system. I didn't do that, but look at the question how they are asking. नहीं नहीं वो करेंगे, don't worry. Okay, 26 देखना. Simple formula. Yes, correct. It's right. Actually, here we have a chapter called a sound. 9th standard में sound करके chapter. Okay, we'll do that. That time I'll tell you the formula for frequency. Okay. So remember this. 23 बताओ. Deficiency of iron causes what? Yeah. Anemia. Correct. Okay. Now next question. Anirudh will answer. Ready, Anirudh? It's the toughest question in this question paper. Yeah. Only Anirudh will answer. Don't help him. 27. Only Anirudh. Bolo. Guess it. No problem. You'll get right answer. It's easy actually. It's not tough. The device used for yes, Piche, Arun. Is he right? Yes, is it tough? No, sir. This is UPSC question paper. I have downloaded from your website here. Next, question number 28. I have done this I told you, when the length of the conductor increases, resistance increases. If the area of cross section increases, resistance decreases. 100 times we have by hearted. Same thing they are asking. But they are asking, is it R, R by 4, R by 2, 2R. That's it. You crack this thing, you become officer. You will fly aeroplanes, fighter aircrafts. Okay. But only thing is, okay, interest leke aana chahiye. You have to bring in that interest. CDS, CDS. Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah, Vidya, question number, only she will answer. Question number 38. Only she will answer. Is it visible? Wait, 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 wait. हाथ नीचे करो, उनको क्वेश्चन नहीं दिख रहा. Wait, yeah, Kirti, tell me. Yes, anyone else? Yeah, Ajay. Yes, Susindran. Okay, anyone else? Yes, Saptami. So, do you all agree it is a work of grammar? UPSC, they will ask one question from Sangam literature. Tolkapiyam, Silapadikaram, or Tirukural. Okay, what is, they focus only on that area. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, you can predict the question which will come in the next CDS and NDA. NDA students, if you answer this question correctly, you get 4 marks correct. So imagine we have done 5 questions, 20 marks you are getting in your exam. 20 marks means 20,000 ranks you are going forward. समझ में आया? But you have to take everything seriously. Okay. Now look at this. Work of grammar, a Tamil poem in the praise of Rajendra Chola. It's absolutely wrong because Tolkapiyam was written during Pandya's time. Sangam literature is from Madurai. Okay. So Madurai meeting. Next. An ancient didactic work in Tamil. It's wrong. Drama composed of Chera king. Chera people are from Kerala. Cholas are Tamilians. You understand? Next. Question number 42 also is easy. Who will answer this? Politics. Old students, anyone here? Consider the following pairs. Okay. No. Third one is, second is correct. Look at this. These are the 4 statements and the question is here. How many of the above pair is correct? First one is wrong. That means wrong. Second, third schedule, that is also wrong. Because the fourth schedule talks about the allocations of seats in Rajya Sabha. Fifth schedule, what is that? It is correct. Okay, scheduled tribes and scheduled areas. Ninth schedule, what is that? Certain state, that is wrong because this is sixth schedule. Correct? No. So only 3 is correct. So how many pair is right? What is the answer? Okay, now what happens in exam? See, I'll tell you, your mindset. All the students, those who are attending this question, they will put cross mark here, cross mark here, cross mark here. This is correct. What they will do? 3 के ऊपर क्या करेंगे? Tick. Answer is correct. Their mind has correctly got the answer. Okay. And now options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what happens? They go to the next question. Imagine a candidate has gone to the next question. He answers few more questions and when OMR sheet comes, he will shade what? He will shade what? But what is the answer? You understand? This is the danger in UPSC examination. Okay, so this is where you have to avoid your mistakes. Okay, next again polity 21A etc. Okay, 46. I have done this in geography classes. What happens to the temperature when we go in higher altitude? Decreases. Okay, check it. Check question number 46. Statement 1 correct है या wrong है? इधर देखो. Statement 1 is right or wrong? Eliminate A, eliminate C, eliminate D, 2 and 3. Keep moving forward. Did you all understand? Hmm. Okay. 47, I don't know where it is. But the name is like a Chinese name. Ladakh, that's it. Okay, I told you ocean current se question aayega. Correct? Which of the following do not influence the ocean current? No. That's it. You hit the bullseye. Okay, gravitation, pull of the sun and the moon. I'll show you a few more questions. इतने easy easy questions पूछते हैं, but okay, 49. जिसको आते हैं हाथ ऊपर करो. Raise your hand, those who know. Raise your hand quick. Which of the following place is coral origin? Did I teach you in class? Yes, sir. Lakshadweep is the answer. Okay, so sitting in exam hall, you will realize, मतलब आपके आंखों के सामने, in front of your eyes, this class will come. Like the slides, the class. Now some students, why I am asking you a question? Imagine you did a mistake. You are giving me a wrong answer. I made a fun out of you. मैंने तुम्हारे ऊपर joke किया. Everyone started laughing. You felt bad. It's okay. But when you go in exam, everyone will do it correctly. Why? Because the person who did the mistake will be feeling ki are mere upar people laughed at me, but today I will do it correctly. The other students, they will remember, are one boy was insulted in class, so this is the correct answer. So that's the reason I'm telling you, you do mistake in this class so that you will not do mistakes in the exam. Okay. Next I'll show you, so many things are there. This is economics. Every questions we can't answer it. Okay, question number 57. We were just watching a topic of lens and mirror, correct? This is the current affairs. Liquid mirror telescope in Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh. Okay, next 63 देखो. Yes, Saman. Are you sure? Okay, let me see. I'll show you question number 60. Everyone should read it and raise your hand. Let me see how many of you can answer it. Raise your hand, those who know. Yes, Shaman. He's telling sulfuric acid. Is it right? Yes, it's right. Easy, yeah? That's why I'm telling you ki biology students, those who have taken, see, this biology, it comes in 11th and 12th. So here I'll be taking biology of 11th and 12th. Okay, 10th I will take, but that is the foundation. Okay, the reproduction system, the digestive system, I'll keep in mind of 10th also, 11th and 12th also. Because UPSC, NDA, CDS, they are very smart people. They will ask you biology of 11th and 12th, provided if your 10th is strong. And chemistry, they will ask you 10th standard level. Physics, they will ask you 11th standard. Okay, this logic you should keep in mind. Okay. Okay, 71 answer karo. Which one of the following human alimentary canal is maximum in length? Small intestine. That's it. This is the current affairs. Every day we are listening to news, right? Donetsk and Lushan. The answer is Ukraine. Okay, so what I do, after the exam gets over, I'll ask a question paper. If a guy is sending me the question paper, I'll check first easy question, whether he has attended correctly. 2 or 3 easy question, if he is attending correctly, he cracks the exam. That's it. Okay. So देखो अभी question number 77. In which one of the following state president rule been imposed most number of times? They have given this. Answer is Manipur. And even now, what is the answer? Manipur. The tribal problem is going on, right? Okay. Okay, next money bill, all these things we'll see in polity. Okay, 84. Read it and tell me the answer. Raise your hand those who know. Yes, anyone? Yes, Arthav? हाँ बोलो बोलो answer. Correct. They haven't mentioned whether it is, you know, there are like many conditions, no, convex mirror lens के सामने, whether it is on f1 or to f2 or beyond to f2, they haven't mentioned that. The only logic is where is the image. Okay, abhi suppose I don't know all this, there is a confusion. I told you the focal length of the convex lens is positive or negative. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का फोकस क्या है, पॉजिटिव, मतलब राइट साइड है लेफ्ट साइड है, ओके राइट साइड, दैट मींस दे आर इन द ऑपोजिट साइड, करेक्ट ना, सो द फोकस ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड, इजी. Okay, question number 85, try to read it and answer. Yes, no, yes, it is less than the. Okay, now I didn't explain this thing in my class past 2 days. Why? Because if you don't understand the formulas, if you don't understand everything, you will never understand what is aperture and all. Okay, so when I take the problems, that time I'll explain you what is aperture. And yesterday I told you aperture के बारे में मैं बाद में बताता हूँ करके मैंने बोला था. Look at this. Water at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, the density is the maximum, it is increases. Okay, next, see physics, gravitation, acceleration. Okay, questions are asked 83, 87. Next, 88. Answer. Yes, Nilgiri is correct. How did you guess? Yes, good. Huh? எப்படி guess பண்ணீங்க? Tell me the trick. Hmm. Correct. You can do like that also. Next, art and culture आया है. Okay, this is defense question. What is P-75-1? Okay, it is diesel electric submarine from France. And recently, which Indian company has signed for 500 aircrafts? 500 aircrafts with France, or not France, European Union. Hmm. जोर से बोलो. Indigo, a girl who is not present in class for many days, okay, active in all the social activities, so co-curricular activities in school, colleges, she is able to answer, but other students are not answering. That's why I'm trying to say you are not studying. This classroom, when you enter, you have to come prepared. You have to know 10 things what's happening around the world and come, then you come and sit, then you deserve to sit here. Understood? My classes, it will be like this only. I expect something from you, then only I can tell you many things. Do you understand? Indigo is the answer. What is that? Indigo. I am wasting my time in explaining each and everything. Indigo क्या है, कौन है, Go Air को क्या हो गया, okay, Deccan Airways को क्या हो गया. I am wasting my time. If you know something, it will be very easy for me to explain. ठीक है? See, these are all defense. That's it. Blue helmet. United Nations peacekeeping. I told you yesterday. Okay, officers will get selected here. Next. Okay, then एक minute. One. question is there on economics. Okay, types of clouds I have told you in class. Look at this. Cirrus, cumulus, nimbostratus and stratus. Direct question. Okay. In my economic classes, did I talk about Indradhanush?
Yes, sir.
What is Indradhanush? Yeah, one is disease. Other Indradhanush? Banking system. What is that? बैंकिंग के बारे में बताया था नहीं बताया था ओके क्या बताया था मैंने अगर एक कंपनी फेल हो रहा है सो दे हैव द अथॉरिटी टू हैव अ declaration कि I am going to be bankrupt. So did I mention insolvency and bankruptcy board? Then FRBM Act. Look at this. Insolvency and bankruptcy code. In which year it was started? That is the question. 14, 15, 16, 17. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. Then I took a class of planets. Some I think day before yesterday. Okay. Answer question number. Just raise your hand those who know the answer. Question number 112. Raise your hand those who know. Yes, Anirudh. Is he right? Jupiter is the right answer. Yeah, is it a question paper? It's like a GK question test kept in your school or college. So you know one thing why people become IAS, IPS, army officers and all because from childhood they will have this habit of going to quiz competition, going to some essay competition like that. Imagine in your school today there is an announcement quiz competition. The first person to keep your head down under the desk will be you. Okay, because the teacher is hunting the head, correct? No, यार पेर्रा போடுறது okay அப்படின்னு किसका नाम लिखेंगे ऐसे देखने के टाइम my pencil fell down, correct? My pen fell down, otherwise you will hide behind your friend. That is what you have done it, that's the reason you are not able to answer it. These are all very easy. Okay, now look at this. देखो ज्योग्राफी से earthquake से क्वेश्चन है एपिसेंटर एंड फोकस बट दिस फोकस इज डिफरेंट. Focus in geography is different and physics it's different. ठीक है सी अंडमान निकोबार से लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड से क्वेश्चन आया है, अंडमान निकोबार से एक क्वेश्चन आया है, ठीक है. लुक एट दिस नेक्स्ट. दिस इज व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू इन माय आर्ट एंड कल्चर. नाउ दिस इज टोटली आउटसाइड द सिलेबस. भक्त प्रहलाद एंड हिरण्यकशिपु दे आर इन व्हिच बुक दे आर आस्किंग. So in my art and culture I have told you, okay, ki what is Purana, what is Upanishad, what is Aranyakas, what is Mahabharata, what is Ramayana, right? The answer is Vishnu Purana. ठीक है? So remember this. Next, okay, question number 119. What is this? Ramsar Convention. Okay, so wetland preservation. That's it. 120 questions. In this 120, we have just seen physics and little bit of geography. Now, if we deal with the polity and all these things, it's very easy. Okay, what is the condition or the conditions to crack this CDS and NDA and all this thing? What is the minimum criteria? Tell me. No, no. How many questions are expected? Now here we have 25% in what? NDA? In each subject. Okay, look at this. CDS, I will tell you. 120 question may say the UPSC says that at least 20 questions should be correct. Kitna? But that 20 also we can't do it rightly. Okay, why? Because we didn't do our basics strong. Okay? And even if our basics are strong, some questions like this, imagine the missile system. Okay, anti-missile, BrahMos missile. See down there asking BrahMos. Okay, first point is wrong. It is not 290. Okay, now what is Mach number? If I want to explain the second point here, okay, what is this Mach number? I have to explain, take another chapter of sound. Okay, so cruising altitude. This is how you have to, blue helmet. Yes, out of the syllabus, blue helmet. So who can do this out of the syllabus? The person who is reading newspapers daily, who is having eye on current affairs. Okay, अभी मैंने पूछा इंडिगो, a candidate is answering. Okay, so ऐसे होना चाहिए तब जाके आपका होगा. Whether it is direct entry or indirect entry, then only you can do it. Question number 91. hydrolysis, hydration, carbonation. This is geography, not chemistry. Okay, so सबको समझ में आया? So light chapter, did you all understand? Okay, revise, switch on the lights, revise it. Now I'll ask you questions. Start doing it.